These are the settings on your Alexa device that you probably didn't even know you could change. Plus, they're going to make your life so much easier. Did you know you could change Alexa's speed? You may have already known that you can change the volume, usually directly on your device, but did you know that you could also change the speed at which Alexa talks to you? Say, Alexa, speak faster, or you could say, Alexa, speak slower until she's speaking at the perfect rate that makes you really happy. If you ever need to reset it, just say, Alexa, speak at your default rate. Next up, use Alexa's brief mode. Even if you speed up or slow Alexa down, the device sometimes gives you too much information when you're looking for a quick response about the weather or something. Just head to your Alexa app, tap More, tap Settings, tap Voice Responses, and toggle on brief mode so that Alexa will speak less or opt for a short sound instead of wordy answer. Now, if you're sick of saying that name, did you know that you can change Alexa's wake word? Just head to your Alexa app, tap Devices, tap Echo and Alexa, and then tap device you want to change the wake word for. If you want to change all of your Alexas, just do each one at a time. Then tap Settings in the top right corner and scroll down and tap wake word to select one from the options. And if you really want to make things exciting, you can change Alexa's voice to be something like Samuel L. Jackson or Melissa McCarthy. Just say, Alexa, change your voice. For more ways to use Amazon Alexa, head to cyberguy.com and simply search Alexa. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.